Good morning, good afternoon. It is not morning anymore. This is the beginning of another vlog. I'm starting this vlog because this weekend I'm going back to Rhode Island because my aunt is visiting my parents for the weekend and we're gonna go to Block Island on Saturday. So I'm gonna be there Friday, Saturday, and come back Sunday. And I'm very excited to hopefully go to the beach and just, I don't know, do something different for first time in a long time. So I'm excited about that. Okay, here are my outfits. First outfit, it is my furry shorts. I love green and white. It's like the best combo. Very simple. I'm wearing this. And then a plain white t-shirt from Urban Outfitters. But I'm gonna wear these shorts. I was thinking of wearing biker shorts, which that will be fine. But I think these are cuter and they're just like biker shorts. They're super comfortable. We might do bicycles, maybe the mopeds. I'm not sure. This, really cute. Currently washing my Abercrombie & Fitch crop oversized black t-shirt that's gonna look super cute with this, and then this I can pair with sneakers and then bring flip-flops. These folded shorts from, where are these from? I think they're from Pull & Bear. These are from Pull & Bear. This has a matching set, like a matching top, but I don't think I want to wear that, so I have this and I pair it with this. It looked really cute actually. I was just on my period, so it was just like not the safe thing to wear. And I pair it with this and like the blue on this t-shirt with the blue on this, it looked really cute. That's what I'm packing, and then I'll be driving down to Rhode Island and I'm gonna eat at my favorite place. I'm gonna get food from California Tacos. Oh, cannot wait. Changing to the phone because we're leaving, and excuse the dirty mirror. Here's my outfit: leggings, biker shorts, airy. This is from Paxton, my base red bag that I love, and then my beach bag, which is the, and I'm gonna do that and then we're gonna head out. Good morning, everyone. I am back in my old room. If you've watched my videos for a while, it doesn't look how I used to have it when I lived here, but it has some pieces of the things that I used to have. But plans have changed. The weather is like crappy, so we're not going to Block Island anymore. We're gonna go to the beach still, and then we're gonna go to Iggy's, which if you're from Rhode Island, it's like a place like people love to go and eat. I personally don't like it, so yeah, I'm not gonna be eating there. This is my outfit for today. This shirt really faded. Then I think I'm gonna wear this bikini. As you can see, it's brand new, but I feel like these bottoms are a little bit too thick to wear with this. I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks, but that's the outfit for today. It is later in the day. We went to the actually beach. I am wearing my bikini from Paxton. It was sunny and cold, so I ended up not even taking my clothes. I am wearing, shirt from Abercrombie and the shorts are from Pretty Little Thing, and then my hair was in like a lower bun to look cuter, and I was wearing sunglasses. So this was my outfit and I just kept it the whole day. The thing about me is that I have cool ass jackets. This is one of them. This used to be really big on me, which is why I never wore it, but I like, no, it fits, like it's a perfect oversize, and it's not branded or anything, but isn't this so cool? Clearly I've never worn it. I think I bought this like a few years ago. I'm taking this with me. So pretty. It used to be like massive on me, and it's still kind of big, but that's like perfect for me now. This is Misguided. This brand doesn't even exist anymore. And then I also have this really cool one. This is from Forever 21 from the men's section. They did a collab with Honda. I don't drive a Honda, I have a Ford, but like these colors were really cool. And this was also oversized on me, and now it fits a little bit too fitted in my opinion, but like it's really cool, so I'm gonna keep it. Okay, Okay, I am currently about to cook because I've been craving picadillo, which is honestly, now that I've been cooking more, I've realized that a lot of the things that I thought they were like Puerto Rican foods, but like other countries also do them as well. So I have to like put Puerto Rican picadillo, otherwise it's not gonna taste the same. But I was craving that, and I ordered the things that I was missing because I was gonna do it. I placed an order to pick up on Whole Foods of the things that I was missing. So we're gonna be cooking white rice and picadillo, which is actually very easy to do. I'll show you guys what you need. Ground beef. The recipe that I found was 1 pound of ground beef, but I'm just gonna do this because it was cheaper and it's just for me. A potato, this was not on the recipe, but that's how my mom used to do it. You need sazon, that's the one that I use. Adobo for the meat. Tomato sauce. Sofrito, which I had this for. I bought this originally for my beans, but I haven't cooked them. And then you need garlic powder and onion powder. You're gonna cook it all up. I literally use it for everything. I cook everything in here. I need to look at the recipe, and I'm actually peeing too. But I got my first bag from DHA. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Rhode bag, but like this is where it's coming from, so I'm very confused. I don't know how I feel about this. This is not looking promising. Smells like shit. Yeah, this looks nothing like the photo at all. Like, it is cute, but it's not, like, in real life, it's not, like, the right way. I think I have free return, so I can return it. Amazon had a version that I liked, so I might order the one from Amazon. Yeah. I was so excited about this, and now I'm very disappointed. And a little bit disappointed. Hi, everyone. This weekend is actually going to be kind of fun. I am walking dogs on the side as my side hustle, and I love it so much. I literally want to do this a full-time thing. Like, I love working with dogs and animals so much more than people. It's just insane. And it's also good for my mental health because I go my little walks, I exercise, I get paid for it. It's amazing. I recently started doing boarding, and I had a few inquiries, but they all have fallen off. But I finally got one, which is amazing. I'm also just sold a pair of jeans on Poshmark, so check out my Poshmark if you want to buy any of my clothes. I mean, those are new clothes, those are not selling, but everything on there I am selling for a good price. And a lot of them are like literally brand new with so much stuff. I'm about to print, this is on, yeah, the label. I saw a pair of jeans from Forever 21. They fit so good. I feel like Forever 21 jeans are very underrated. These are going to Arlington, Tennessee. Also this weekend on Sunday, I'm going to my friend's parents' house, and I'm gonna be dog watching 2 of their dogs, and she has the cutest, fluffiest white dogs ever. And I'm also have a meet and greet on Sunday in the morning, so I'm gonna do the meet and greet for a different dog, which is supposed to be weekly when it comes to like walking. And then I have to watch my friend's dog that sold. Literally still have the tags on them because I didn't want to wear them, but they're like stretchy, very stretchy. Very sad to let them go, but I also have 2 other cargo pants. Like, why do I have so many cargo pants if I don't even like them? Because I look like a boy. Don't ask me. I don't know. Clearly, I have an issue. My blue baggie, so we're gonna fold this in. Should be in like great baggie. Oh. This is affecting the most. Right. All set. I'm so excited. I got my food. So I got a chili cheesesteak sandwich. I could have literally walked and picked this up, but I'm just like not in the mood. These fries. It's a 10-minute. It's a 10-minute walk from my apartment, which is embarrassing. This looks delicious. The fries are so good. Very salty. I don't know what this is. I'm excited to eat. I don't know where this. It's like so much. It's like I don't even know where to start. They have mushrooms, but I don't eat mushrooms, so really good. The fries are really good. Look at that.